Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today is part 2 of my review for OneDaySaving. So let's get started. Okay, the first one we have is this beautiful landscape. And it is a 40 by 50 and it was $8. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those beautiful, gorgeous autumn trees. Ugh, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And it has a paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. And looks like very nice paper pattern. Very well printed. No smudges, no smears. I don't see any mistakes. Does have the product number, how big it is. It's 129 by 173. Squares. It has 25 colors. We have 154, which is the mulberry color, no 310 black. We have 823, no 939, we have 938. We have 3371, which is the dark brown, and no 3865. But this would probably need to be blown up for most people. But it's very well printed, very clear, very nice, easy to see symbols over here. So, very nice. Let's take a look at what's in here. It does have 2 needles here. There is not a toolkit with it. But let's look at all those gorgeous autumn colors. We got blues, we got oranges, we got rusts. There's the mulberry at the beginning. Very beautiful colors. Very, very nice. There's your 3771, which is that dark, dark brown. But these 2 colors look like the palest for like a white, but they aren't any colors that I've ever used that I know about, but they're not 3865 or B5200. But very beautiful, beautiful colors. Nice greens. Got some olive green down here, but most of it is those beautiful, beautiful trees. Oh, well, let's see what that canvas looks like. I am anxious. Let me move this out of my freeway. So this one isn't too big. Very big. I don't see any smudges or smears. I told you about the 2 needles. You have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It is not serged all the way around. And it does have a color scheme going down the side to match with all the threads. But nice big key though. Just huge. So, I don't know. I'm just, you know, but I think the colors are going to be fine, even at 25. But, yeah, it's those oranges and reds that get you. They're just beautiful. So this is 48.5 centimeters or 19 inches. Whoa. Let's not drop that this week. Oh, my goodness. I did that last week. Let's see here. 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. The actual picture size is 11 3/4 inches or 30 centimeters that away. And it is 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. So, very nice. Very well printed. And the pattern was printed well too, so yay. But symbols are very easy to see. I'm rolling this up. Hang on. I will give you a look. Looks a little bit confetti, just kind of sprinkled here and there. But you do have big, big areas to stitch. You know, just a solid color. But it's a nice balance. It's not leaving anything out. Your confetti is going to be in the details. So, very nice. And I'll just hold that as still as I possibly can and leave a light so you can see what's going on. Maybe it was better that way. I'll hold it still. So, very nicely done. Good job. I don't care if it's a DIY. I don't have a problem with them. You know, this kit looks like the colors are varied enough that they will be just fine. All right, we got one more, and this one, what is this called? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a snowman. I'm sorry. It's a 30 by 31. It was $4.41. I'm having issues today. So sorry. Comes in a Joy Sunday bag. Very nice. Love those Joy Sunday. They are durable as heck. They are just lovely. So I couldn't, you know, get like an autumn one without getting a Christmas one. Isn't that cute? Ugh, it's adorable. I love the dog, the snowman, the kids, all of it. And I like the way the lettering is done. It's going to have some back stitching, not going to lie. But it's not that big. See, it's 92 by 128 stitches. It has 29 colors. There's that 3799, which is that dark color again. So no 310 black. Did they run low on 310 black? And that's why we're using a substitute? I don't understand. I don't know how I pick kits like that or not. I got nothing. Okay, so no 310 black, no 321, no 498. I don't know what they're using for reds. Holy cow. 347 is a red. Okay, if you say so. No 550 purple, no 823, no 939, no 3371. It does have full stitch, French knot, and back stitch, but only one color in the French knots, and I'm assuming that's his eyes, and maybe the dots on her coat there. You've only got 3 colors for your back stitching, so very nice. And everything comes on one page. Paper pattern will not match the canvas. Yeah, those are the dots on her coat. See it running down there? And then his mouth and his eyes. So not too many. Nominal amount, but that back stitching is going to be fun times. Fun times. Comes on a thread card with the red numbers being how many threads of each you have, the MC number, and then the number on the thread card. So 30 colors. Yep, 30 colors. 2 needles, but nice blues. There's your red. It's an 8/16 too. Then there's 3 colors. It kind of goes from red to a lighter orange to a actually peach. So there's 4 colors there. Beautiful blues. Just gorgeous for that background and all the shading of the... I'm surprised it didn't have... Let me look. Doesn't have any, what do you call it? Half cross stitch in this. Kind of strange. Product numbers right here. So beautiful, beautiful colors. Reds. No, is there a dark green? No. No dark green. Just kind of light. Kind of to pick up the picture, I think. So let's set that aside. Make sure I had it right side up. Some days. It does have the 2 product numbers and the name on it at the top. You're going to have to use some back stitching to make all the lettering come out correctly there, but very well printed, very nice. Joy Sunday always does a good job. Looks like everything's on point, and you have your regular colors all down here that kind of go up to here. Then you have your 1 French knot, and then your 3 back stitching colors. So there's some stitching to be done with this, but it is not, it's a partial. So it's not full coverage. You don't stitch where it's white there. But there's still a lot that makes that frame. So yeah, kind of different. That bright green is just throwing me for a loop there. I'm not a green lover, you know, but I mean, I'll do with it if it has to go with something else. Okay, it's 11.5 inches or 30 centimeters by, looks like close to 8.5 inches or 21.5 centimeters. The actual picture size is almost, it's a little over 6.5 inches or 17 centimeters. And this way it is pretty close, a little bit over on 9 inches. So 9 by, nope, I was going to say it won't fit in an 8 by 10 or a 5 by 7. But yeah, so I thought it'd be a fun little project to work on during Christmas. I know we'll get to all that back stitching because, I mean, just look at that back stitching. Oh, yeah. It's like every third thing has back stitching of some sort, especially these little bitty things that go up in through here. And the dog. So the back stitching, it doesn't look like much here, but when you add all that back stitching, it will bring everything out. Yeah, I've had kits like that before, so very nice, very nice. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for all these beautiful kits this week, last week. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you. Now, if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, it will be in the description box below. And I don't know if they're running any specials right now, but they're gearing up for Christmas, so get ready. They have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by numbers, and they also do custom. They always have a great variety of everything, you know, that you'd ever want to either stitch or diamond paint, or they have tools and crafts for all these things, so pick whatever it is you like, you know. And they do have a separate Joy Sunday section. So, and they do custom on all three. Custom, I think, takes a little bit longer than, say, if you just ordered this kit, you know, because they're going to have to make it up. So do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and do hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.